All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna go ahead and stop here because it's getting painful at this point. It's becoming painful to do this right now. Very disappointed. Um, there's absolutely no excuse as to why no one is paying attention and ready to answer these questions. We are on Nearpod. I'm using. It's okay. We're done. The kids, the students that have been doing good this whole 9 weeks, I commend you. And you know who you are because I have been letting you know this entire time. Those of you that have not been if you have been trying your best, good. And I know when somebody's trying their best and just not getting there. I know when that is. And I also know when somebody's wasting time and just over there sitting. I don't appreciate that at all, especially considering all of this stuff that we have going on, all this coronavirus and all this remote learning, students in and out of the school. With all of that going on, the least you could do is your work. All you have to do is literally log in and click. No excuse as to why anyone is not on task. No excuse as to why anyone doesn't have at least a basic answer to give me. And when I ask you a question, it says, what career interests you and describe it. I'm not asking you to create anything. I'm asking you to literally tell me what you read. You don't have an answer because you didn't read. And if you didn't read, that's your bad. That's not my bad. That's not your mama bad. That's your bad. Okay? Your parents can't do your work for you. Y'all need to get a grip. For real. Some of y'all doing good. Some of y'all taking this for granted. And that's your life you taking for granted. Not your mama life, not your dad life, not your auntie, uncle, grandma, grandpa. It's all on you. So if you don't want a good future, keep playing at school. If you do want a good future, put your best foot forward. I cannot say that enough. It don't matter what level you on. You got to put your best foot forward. There's something out there for everybody, but it's up to you to get it. If you don't do the work, you are not going to get it, and that's the bottom line. If you don't learn anything else in my career class, please know if you don't put in work, you will not get it. Whatever it is for you, whether it's a job being a greeter at Walmart or if you want to be the CEO of Apple one day, you will not get it if you do not put the work in. And that's on period. Y'all have a good day.